Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're gonna take a look at the markets. You probably noticed that basically every single index, every single stock ticker and commodities, they are all in the red today. Everything seems to be having a healthy correction, even especially cryptos, they are mostly down 10%. Um, We'll see how it develops. We're gonna enter the weekend very soon, and maybe the market will come down. But there are some good areas in which you can enter and buy, in my opinion. Uh, Again, uh, do your own research. I'm just a guy on the internet. I do have a few stocks that I think they are pretty good value. For example, Intel. Uh, Intel is a great company. They have really good free cash flow, and yeah, they could pay an okay dividend, but they are a cash flow machine. Same, the same thing I have to say about HP. I wish I got into stock investing back in this area. I didn't really know how to evaluate companies. I learned that about the beginning of this year, and yeah, most of the stocks were already up, but I am trying to buy value stocks. I'm not buying Tesla, for example. If we look at Tesla, yeah, let's look on the linear scale. Tesla is on it was on a ramp, seems to be consolidating in this area. I'm expecting it maybe to go back to this 200 daily moving average in the future, but I'm still not touching it because based on their fundamentals, they are extremely overvalued. But if we would look at the fundamentals of Intel or HP, which I will do probably in future videos, and I'll show you believe why I believe that Intel and HP are a value play. Uh, yeah, I'll show you why. Right now, I wouldn't really, even if HP is quite cheap at this price. Uh, I'm expecting a correction in the next few days because they had this really big pump probably on earnings, and yeah, I'm not recommending to buy it like right now, but if it consolidates or it has a correction, I think you should consider looking into their financials and do more research and maybe enter the market. Intel, just again, I'm just a guy on the internet. I'm not a financial advisor, but Intel is a great company. Also, if we look at gold is holding pretty good today. I think there are some pandemic fears with some new variant from South Africa. So, I mean, the markets are going to react how the markets are going to react. And gold is holding pretty steadily today, but the gold did have a pretty healthy correction in the past week, like a 4 or 5% correction. I did a video about 3 days ago that gold and silver are a buy after every correction of 4 or 5%. In my opinion, gold and silver are a buy, and I did order uh, some silver bullion. I'm not sponsored by any of these sites, but if you are from Europe, these are my go-tos. But I'm actually buying a lot from these guys because they are accepting credit card. I'm not from France. One of the disadvantages, this site is only in French. But I mean, in Europe, I guess everybody knows a little bit of French. So you can use Google Translate, you can find your silver bullion. I actually bought 20 ounces of Noah's Ark. It's my first time buying them. I'm waiting for the shipment. They said it's probably gonna be a 10-day. At first, they said it's gonna be a 10-day delay or shipping time, but I actually received an email from UPS yesterday, I believe. So I'm actually expecting them next week to deliver the shipment. And I also bought an eye candy from Rwanda. I think it's this one. Yes, because this looks like a pretty nice coin. It's a semi collectible in my opinion. You should buy as close to spot as possible. So my options in Europe were the Noah's Ark or maybe some Britannias. They were also pretty close to spot. Right now I see prices have pricing has modified a bit. I mean premiums over spot because yeah, Britannias used to be cheaper than Philharmonics, for example. And what I'm also looking at is this constitutional coins from France. They are pretty good value, but maybe next time. And also European Mint, they also have pretty good prices. They actually right now they have better prices than this site, which is nice. I check them both and get the cheapest one that I get. So that's the play on silver, in my opinion. I only buy physical silver. I'm not buying SLV or GLD. I am looking to buy a miner. I need to do a little bit of research, but I checked the cash flows on this miner, and I'm telling you, they are looking like the best financials at a mining company. They are not issuing shares like crazy. They have very good cash flow in compared to their market cap. So I'm really liking them. I think they are mining somewhere in Africa, Egypt, Ivory Coast, and stuff like that. But I need to do a little bit of research to see if they have good plans for the future and how much gold they have to mine from their current mines. But yeah, stock price is as low as it was in March 2020. You're not gonna find many miners in this situation. But again, the why I like them is that they have pretty good cash flow. Let's look at Centamin. Market cap is 1.1 billion, and they have free cash flow of well above 110 million. Why 110? Because it's basically like a PE ratio, you know. You get the market cap and you divide it by the net income, you get the PE. If you divide the market cap by the free cash flow, you sort of get something like the PE, but it's free cash flow is more important to me than net income. So yeah, their free cash flow is looking really great, and they are also paying 5% dividend, and they can easily cover it because 5% of 1 billion is like 50 million to be paid, and yeah, they have more than enough free cash flow to cover that dividend. So yeah, I'm really liking this Biden, and they are not, again, they're not issuing shares like crazy. Crypto is down today. I actually got some Cardano because yeah, it came back down in this area. So if Cardano went up to $3 once. I mean, this is basically it's a 50% discount, right? When stuff is on discount, I'm buying. But again, this is extremely speculative. But I'm diversified. Crypto is what I consider speculation. For investment, I'm buying physical gold and silver. Not for investment, for insurance, I'm sorry. For investment, I'm buying good quality stocks that pay me to own them. Okay, so this was my ramble for today. If you liked what you hear, consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.